Yes, hello guys, welcome to this other video. So in this video I will be teaching you how to prune your plantains and bananas leaves so that the plantains can continue to grow healthier and very fast and very fast. So that is what I'm going to teach you today. So you can see like that little sucker there, you can see that I have pruned this sucker. I have just allowed just 4 leaves at this level because the sucker is still small and the sucker is growing, so I want the sucker to grow faster. These are the leaves that I have pruned from this sucker. So coming to this one, you can see that I have pruned the sucker and allow just 4 leaves. 4 leaves after I have removed 2 leaves, that is 2 dead leaves. Any leaf that is already red or brown, you just have to remove it because it is already a dead leaf. So this sucker, you can see this other sucker as it is growing. I have pruned the sucker and allow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are 6 leaves I've allowed on that sucker because I want the sucker to increase in size and grow faster. That is why I have to allow up to 6 leaves so that the sucker can also put weight and grow healthier. That is why I have allowed those leaves. So you can see this one here. I've allowed, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is growing, and number 6 I will still allow it so that the sucker can grow more healthier and bigger in size so that it can bear a very big bunch of plantain. So we can see a little sucker like this one. This sucker is still growing, so I have to remove this leaf. I remove this other one, remove this other one, and allow the sucker just with 4 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves so that the sucker can continue grow faster, so that I can mulch. So after it has grown again, I have to put ground under so that the under of the sucker can grow very big, so that it will grow and bear a very huge bunch according to its size. So like this one, you can see this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one has 7 leaves, and all the leaves are very green. So there is no need for us to cut the leaves because all the leaves are very green. The plantain sucker also needs the green leaves in order to, so that it can also help to capture chlorophyll from the sunlight. So these green leaves, they are very important. When we want to prune our plantain suckers, we also have to consider the leaves color. If they are very greenish, like this one that we have seen here, then we don't have to prune it. We just have to allow it so that it can also give a lot of chlorophyll. You can get a lot of chlorophyll from the sunlight to keep the sucker growing and to make the sucker to produce very healthily. That is why we have to just allow those 7 there. The same thing with this one. We see that all the leaves are very green in color, so there is no need for us to prune the leaves of the plantain. So we continue going. This one is a small leaf, a small sucker, but the leaf here have to be removed so that the other one can take over. We can see this sucker. It's a small sucker, but you can see how it is growing. So we have to take some of the leaf. So we take this one, we take number 2 leaf, and allow those sucker with those 4 leaves so that the sucker can grow healthier. You can see this other one, that water is throwing there. All the leaves are very green, so we'll allow the sucker like that to continue growing. Go to this one, you see how healthier this one is looking. You can see the sucker is growing very healthier. So we just have to remove some of the leaves so that the sucker can grow. Although they are all green, but you have to take some of this leaf so that the sucker can continue to grow. We see this other one that has been growing, but fire came and affect some of the leaves. That leaf like that was being affected by fire, but my sucker was being saved because of this water that has been watering the sucker, around the sucker, so fire could not go closer to the sucker but to warm just the leaf. So we just have to allow this sucker to recover from the fire burn incident, so that before we can do anything to the sucker. So that is it. Pruning the leaf is very important. Sucker like this one, you can see sucker like this one going very healthier. You have to remove the leaf and allow just that one so that the sucker can continue growing. We go to this other sucker. You can see this one, this small sucker that I grow. You can see it's fighting with manure and erosion, so that they should not be covered by soil. You just have to keep the sucker free so that it can grow. So that is it. You can see this one is good. Go to the next one. This sucker is still good. You have to allow it. There are many other suckers that are growing very healthier, so there's no need for pruning. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have understood. You can see the sucker like this one. This leaf is a dead leaf. You have to sand it down. You go and check. You see the sucker. You can see that there are some red leaf, 2 red leaves. So we have to make sure we remove these 2 red leaves so that the sucker can continue growing bigger and faster and grow very fast. So this one, the leaf, you have to sand down that leaf. Go to the next one. You can see this is a red leaf. From this sucker, we have to sand it down. This other one, very big and healthy sucker, but this leaf is already red, so we have to sand it down. Then we have a sucker like this one. This type of growth is not permitted. There is a stunted growth, so this sucker is not growing normally. So we have to prune most of the sucker so that the sucker can grow. When we talk about stunted growth, we mean because you look at this sucker, you discover that all the leaves, they are almost on one position. There is no gap. There is no big gap between from one leaf another. So this type of growth, you have to control it in your farm. So this is not, that growth there is not normal. So this is not a normal growth. So you have to make sure how to control this type of growth. So in the next video, I will show you what to do whenever you have this type of growth in your farm. So when we are talking about normal growth, there is normal growth. You can see the difference. You can see the distance of this leaf and this one. Then you see this one. Then you see how they are growing and giving distance from one leaf to another. So you can see the sucker. You can see the sucker. That is normal growth. Then this one here, all the leaves are on the same position. That is abnormal growth. So this type of growth, you have to control it in your farm. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you will like, subscribe to this video. So in the next video, I will teaching you how to treat this type of growth in your farm. So just wait for the next video, subscribe and wait for the next video.